Good morning, students. Welcome to the statistics class. In the previous video, I had explained to you regarding Newton's advancing difference method, the theory. I had explained to you regarding the formula as well as how to calculate the leading differences and the values of x. All that theoretically I have explained it to you. So let's take a problem, right, and solve this problem using that method, which is called as Newton's advancing difference method. See the question. The question is very clear, which is on the screen for you. From the following data given below, interpolate the number of persons living in the age of 25 years. Living in the age of 25 years. This is all about years. In other words, this is x for us students. Okay, this you should take it to be as x. Okay, this is x. Okay, right. Now x values are 20, 30, 40 and 50. They are all having a common difference. In other words, they follow arithmetic progression. Now, one of the value is 25. It is between 20 and 30, which is not mentioned here. It is in between. So for x, for the value of x, which is 25, the value of x which is 25, they are asking us to find out what can be the value of y, right? This is what we need to know. So now let's find out how many known values are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, since 4 known values of y are there, students, since 4 known values of y are known to us, y are known or given. Okay, so what we need to do is, so 4 minus 1 is how much? It is 3. So that means we have to use the Newton's formula up to 3 leading difference table, students. Okay, 3 leading differences. Till there you have to use this Newton's formula. So what is that Newton's formula? Let me write this. We are supposed to find out for y25. So y25 is equal to, okay, so the formula would be y naught plus, okay, x delta naught raised to 1 plus x into x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta naught raised to 2 plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta naught raised to 3. This is the formula that we need to use and find the values of y25. Now let's first find out what is x, students. Now this is a bivariate data. The value to be interpolated is, the value of x to be interpolated is 25. The value of the origin is 20. The beginning, the first value is 20. And what is a common difference? There is a difference of 10. So that means it would be 5 divided by 10, or in other words, the value of x would be 0.5, students. Okay, right. Now, this is y0 for us. This is y1 for us. This is y2 for us. This is y3 for us. Okay, so now let's substitute those values here, students, which is given on the screen on the formula, then we can get the desired answer. That is y naught. What is y naught? Y naught is 53. Y naught is 53. I'll write this, I'll circle it because this is not there in the formula. Okay, I'm just substituting here. Y naught is 53 plus x is 0.5. Correct? Then we need to find out delta naught raised to 1. Okay? Plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta naught raised to 2 plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta naught raised to 3. This is what is the substitution that we can do. But still, when we see here, we have not got, the, what you can say, the delta, the leading difference values we don't have. So what shall we do? So we'll start writing those values and finding out. This is x and this is y for us students. Okay. So what are the values of x that we have it here? The values of x are 20, correct? I'll write it here 20, 30, 40, 50, and for it is 53, 49, 36, 23. Just roughly I have written it here so that it will be easy for me to do this or to write it right here. That is 20. The value of x is 20. The value of x, the next value is 30. The next value is 40. The next value is 50. So corresponding y is 53, then 49, then 36, then 23. Okay. So for me, this is y naught, students. This is y1, this is y2, and this is y3. I'll start with the first delta 1. Then I will write it here, delta 2. Then I will write it here, delta 3. 3 leading differences. Okay, the first one, this. Okay, what it is? 40 y1 minus y0. This is 49 minus 53. The value is minus 4. 49 minus 53. Value is minus 4. 36 minus 49, students. 36 minus 49. You need to understand this. Calculations are there here, and the calculations are little bit complex here because signs are also involved here. So you should understand how much it would be. 36 minus 49 is equal to minus 13. Okay, it is minus 13. Then 23 minus 36 is again minus 13. This is minus 13. Okay. So this, I'll denote this to be as delta naught raised to 1. This is delta 1 raised to 1. And this is delta 2 raised to 1. Okay. Right. The next second leading difference, that is delta 1 raised to 1 minus delta naught raised to 1. That is, see here students, it is minus 13 minus of minus 4. You understand this? Minus of minus 4. Now minus 13 would be as it is. Minus of minus will be plus 4, students. Minus of minus will be plus 4. So minus 13 plus 4, I think the value will be how much, students? It is minus 9. Okay, the next one, delta 2 raised to 1 minus delta 1 raised to 1. It's how much? It is minus 13, minus 13, minus of minus 13, minus 13 plus 13 is equal to 0. That means this would be 0. and this I'll take this as delta naught raised to 2, and this is delta 1 raised to 2. Okay, second leading difference column. Fine. The next one, last leading difference, that is delta 1 raised to 2 minus delta naught raised to 2. That is 0 minus minus 9. Minus of minus would be plus. 0 plus 9. The answer here is 9. So this is delta naught raised to 3. So we have three values here, students. Okay. Here is 1. This is delta naught raised to 1. This is delta naught raised to 2, and this is delta naught raised to 3. Okay, you understand this? These are the three values that we require. Then we can substitute that in our formula. Is that clear? So what is that formula? Let me just erase this and continue with the substitution in that formula and complete the formula problem, students. Okay, so let me show this to you clearly. Once again, I'll get back to this formula. What is the formula? The formula is y is equal to or in other words y25. Is it right? Y25 is equal to 53. Continuation 53 plus 0.5 into delta naught raised to 1 is how much? Minus 4 plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2 into delta naught raised to 2 is minus 9. The next one is plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 is 6 into delta naught raised to 3 is 9. Okay, so all these values, let's start simplifying and let us get the answers for it, students. I hope you're following this one. Till here you have followed it. Okay, so I hope the next steps also you will follow. 53 plus as it is. Okay, I'll keep it plus. No, plus into minus is minus. That means 0.5 into 4 is equal to 2. It is. This is 2. The calculation is 2. Okay, next one we will see here. Now let's first substitute this 0.5. I'll keep it as it is. It will be easy for you. 0.5. 0.5 minus 1 is minus 0.5, students. Is it right? Okay, and divided by 2 into minus 9. Okay, I'll substitute these things first, then it will be easy for us. 0.5, then 0.5 minus 1 is minus 0.5, then 0.5 minus 2 is minus 1.5 divided by 6 into 9. This is what we have it. Okay, so let's see again. 53 minus 2 is 51 on simplification. 51. Okay, now let's see the signs here. Here we have plus, here we have minus, here we have minus. Okay, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. That means here everything will be plus. That means I will multiply all these three, students. That is 0.5 into 0.5 into 9 is equal to 2.25 divided by 2 is 1.125. 1.125, this whole value. Okay, next is, okay, then again we'll see here signs. Plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. So this also will be plus, students, for us. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll multiply all these numbers once again. That is 0.5 into 0.5 into 1.5 into 9 is equal to 3.375 divided by 6 is equal to 0. 0. Okay, 0.5625. Now add up all these values, that is 0.5625 plus 1.125 plus 51. You get the answer as how much, students? It is 52.6875, or even we can approximate this to be as 53. That means when y is equal to 25, sorry, when x is equal to 25, when x is equal to 25, the value of y is equal to 53. This is the answer, students. So I hope you have followed this problem. If you haven't, please go back and watch this video once again, then you will understand how to do it. So we will solve some more problems in the next video. Copy this problem in your notes, students. Thank you very much.